video I will show you how you can actually work on the image for your design project, and I will also show you how you can actually work on poor pixelated image and enhance it for your next design project. And at the end of this video, I will be sharing with you tips and tricks that you can actually use to spice things up. So with that being said, let's get started. You need to have this application called Snapseed. So once you click on it, you move to this plus icon and select it. So right here, this image is not really bad, but we want to work on it depending on the design you are using at all. So let's quickly do some things right here. The first thing you need to do, based on this image, the image is not bad, but we want to just work on it, okay, based on our design. So I'll just come to this option right here, and I will come to my tune image. So I'll select my tune image, and right here, let me work on my brightness. It's bright enough, but I think to make more sense to work on it like this. And on my contrast like this. So you don't really need to use all the two right here if you don't need them. So this is warmth, which I don't need on the image. So I'll just click on this check mark and I'll click on apply. So here we have it. So here is my before and here is my after. So next thing I will do right here is to come to my detail. So I'll just increase my structure like this. So can you see the effect is coming out? So sometimes you don't really need to extend it to that edge right there. So I'll just work on it like this. So I'm not feeling the effect right there, so I can further increase my structure. So you can see this texture effect that is applied on it. So this is how people generate this kind of effect on their designs. I can click on apply. So right here, let's preview. So here is my before and here is my after. So we can see that you spice things really up. This before and here is after. So you don't want to overdo things like this. So I'll just click on this option to export. But if you are working on poor pixelated image like this model, what you need to do is to use this application called Remini. You just select it. This is the interface of the application. So you want to select the image. So wash and add to enhance. So I just click on it. So after watching the ad, so here is the before of the image and here is the after. So you can see right here, this is how the image is really blur and here is how it is really worked on. So you can see it's really cool. Once you are done, you just want to click on this download option. Okay, so once you are done importing your model, so here is it. You just want to work on the model like this. I'll just zoom my image and I'll come to my pencil icon. So for this one, depending on my image I said, so I can reduce the brightness for this and I'll come to my contrast. So I want to increase the contrast for this. You can't really see the effect, so here is it. On my saturation, I want to adjust my saturation, not really much, just like this. And I work on my highlights. Highlight works on the bright part of the image, not the overall design, okay? So let's see how it works. So something like this is not really bad. And let's see how shadow also would look like. So I'm okay with this, and you can always preview right here and I'll click on OK. So the effect is applied like this. I'll come to my option right here. So we have different tools to work on, but these are the major tools I actually recommend. So this is tune image and this is detail. So once you are done with this, you want to increase your structure. So we actually increase our structure because want to this textual effect to be applied. Okay, so this is it right there. So the sharpening is too much, so you can always reduce it like this, and it's not bad. So here is my before and here is my after. So you can click on apply and you save your image. So let me give you a bonus tip. I'll just come to my color, to my curve right here, and we have this option. So below here we have this option, we call it channel. So this is it right there. We have this option right there, red, green, blue, and luminance RGB. So we want to make use of green, and you want to, when you are moving it up like this, you are adding green, and once you are bringing it down like this, you are subtracting green. So right here, you don't want to overdo, right? You just move your graph like this. You can just work on it, and you can see the green effect is applied on the model field. So you don't want to overdo